Hey everyone, Shane here. We're going to go over the new version that we released last night. We tested this all day yesterday, over and over and over again. We did have some problems with posting products. We think we got that taken care of. A lot of you probably already used the new version, so hopefully we can get some feedback. I've just got back to the office, so we're taking a look. But we're going to do this training over the new version just real quick. Now, under the site setup, everything you'll see that everything's the same. Okay, and so what'll happen is you'll need to run the auto update. So you'll just click Run Auto Update. Now, one of the things that we need to let you know about with the new versions is that every time you open the software, what we want you to do is click the button that says download plugins, okay? There's a very specific reason that we're asking you to do this. Because what happens is we are going to update all of the plugins for you. So we want you to download the plugins every time you run the software. That way you're getting the updated plugins. Okay, so now right now, we're still adding some updated plugins. So every time you open the software, just click the download plugins button here until it says everything's ready. Okay, so as far as step one, you're going to fill in all of your information just like you would do before. And after you do this, what you're going to do, and after you select whether you want to create the default categories or if you'd like to create custom categories. After you select that, you're going to click Next to go to the template settings. And this is going to take you to a screen like this, okay? So now what is different? You're going to have a different option in the Select Template to install. Okay, we've set a new default template, okay? But you also still have the other templates that you've always had, okay? But we did set a new default template. Now, if you set this, okay, you can click the button to preview this template. This will open up in a new window, okay, so you'll see it down in your taskbar menu area. It'll open up in a new browser window, okay, so you can preview the default template here. You're going to select a logo, okay. Now, with the default template, it is not really designed to use a real high profile logo or anything. We've already got the header set up for you, and we've kind of got it already set. So if you want to use a logo, you can, but you really don't have to using the default template, and you'll see why if you do the preview template. And then you can also put in your favicon. Okay, and keep in mind you want to make sure and keep the dimensions the same. Okay. Now, you're going to select the site color. You have different colors to choose from. And then again, you're going to select the Amazon country. And now here you're going to enable or disable the primary slideshow. Okay, the default template actually has two slideshows. So if you enable it, this is the first, the primary slideshow. Okay, if you enable it, you'll see some options come up over here on the right-hand side. Okay, now if you enable the secondary slideshow, you'll have actually more options that come up here, and you'll have a scroll bar to scroll up and down. So what we're going to do now, let's take a preview of this template. So if we click on the preview template, it will tell you that it's going to open up in a new window, and you click OK. So you'll click the next preview template, the preview box, and so here is the preview of the template. Okay, so this is going to be the primary slideshow, and you'll see that we have some slides in here. Okay, now the optimum size is 600 by 250. Okay, so this is going to be the primary slideshow. This is the secondary slideshow. The secondary slideshow is made for 468 by 60 ads, okay, banner ads. Now, what you're going to do is in your software, you're going to choose a slide. Okay, so in the size around about is 600 or 650 by 250. Okay, it don't have to be exact, because if you look in the preview, the template actually resizes the image for you. So these are, what you need to have, but you can also have product images like this, okay? So 650 by 250 is the recommended size. Now, when you upload that, now this is going to be a JPEG or an image file, PNG image file. Now, when you upload that, you can also attach it to an affiliate link here, okay? So you have 4 slides for the primary slideshow, okay? And you have 4 slides for the secondary slideshow. So on the secondary slideshow, they're 468 by 60. So what you can do is you can go to Amazon Associates and get an image of the banner ad, okay? And then you can link that banner ad to your Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so the secondaries are 468 by 60. The primary is 650 by 250. You don't have to use all 4 of the slides for each slideshow area. You can use as many as you like. If you don't put any slides in at all, the template will revert to the default slides that you see here. Okay, so it's a good idea to use the slides. If you use the default template, it's a good idea to upload some slides. Take the time to make these slides. This gives you more creative ability to add creative elements to your site. Okay, now you also have the social sharing. This is going to be your Twitter username, Facebook page URL. This can be a fan page or just your Facebook page URL that goes to your page, and your dig URL. Okay, advertising. This is going to be 728 by 90 ad code. This is the actual ad code that you would get from Amazon or AdSense. Okay, so the ad code goes in here. This is the 300 by 250 ad code. Okay, these are code, and the slideshows are just PNG or JPEG images. Okay, so that's going to be the update. The template, the default template is the update. It's a new feature. We wanted to add this so you'd have another option as far as template is concerned, and that you would have more creative the ability to customize the look of your site. Okay, if you're not familiar with this, you can play around with it and then use the other templates on your your sites that you want to that are going to be for actual sales. But then you can play around building with this default template so you can get an idea how to use it. But it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. The account creation, we are going to scrub this option because there has been some changes to the way accounts are created. So we are going to probably end up taking this out. We are going to offer you another account creator that we have made, and we're going to offer that as a paid download. It will only be $10 or $7. So we're going to add that for you. Everything else is the same. Okay, everything else is the same as far as Amazon affiliate setup, content syndication, adding your products, and the rest of everything is the same. I hope you enjoy the new version of Azon Auto Builder, and we'll see you next time.